Hi everyone, Tim the Plane Man here, and welcome to SkyDroid G30 RC Control System Edition. When I was in China recently at the Drone World Congress in Shenzhen, I visited the offices of SkyDroid, and this is the G30 RC controller. This is the controller, and this is the air unit that goes in the plane with its antennas, and some cables and a lanyard and stuff like that that comes in the box. But this is the interesting part. So what we have here is a huge 10.1 inch high brightness screen, a really nice comfortable control to fit in your hand, and the battery in here is a 20,000 milliamp hour capacity battery that they say should be able to last 6 to 8 hours in the field. This is the air unit. Very small, lightweight, comfortable with a few connectors on the side, and these are the antennas that go on the vehicle with the air unit. The controller itself features joysticks for RC control and a separate 2 joysticks here for gimbal control and other controls. 4 programmable buttons here, L1, L2, R1, R2, and a programmable button here which you can labeled home, could be set to RTL. 2 potentiometers or knobs for control, and 2 3-position switches. There is also on the back here a large number of connectors. We have a connector here for fiber optic control. We have a USB Type-C and a SIM card slot, so you can put a SIM card here and connect to the internet over mobile cellular signal, and also there's a LAN port as well, and a PPM connection. So it's basically a very nice little control system, and let's turn it on and see what the screen looks like. Comes up with Android. It's Android 14, and it's a standard Android. I want to also mention, by the way, that SkyDroid recently become an Autopilot partner. So all of their devices, such as the G30, should be fully functional as Autopilot devices connecting to Autopilot systems, and fully open standard supporting. I'm looking forward to testing that out, and it's a great thing that SkyDroid is supporting the Autopilot community. So here we have the screen. So the screen comes up as a standard Android 14 screen. The first thing we're going to want to do, though, is set this into English. So we'll go here into the settings. I think we go down to general somewhere here, maybe it's this one, and we'll click on here, and then if we click on here, I think we should find that we can add English, and we'll do English Canada, and we want to move that. I think we move that by putting it up there. So now we say yes, we want to go and change the whole system to English Canada. So now everything in the system is running in Canadian English. The control applications, it's scroll to the second screen. There's a gimbal FPV application, which won't do anything right now because we're not actually connected to a gimbal, so we'll come back to that later. There's a Fly GCS, which is the GCS application from SkyDroid. Of course, it says it's offline and there's no network present, but this will be how we control the vehicle through the air unit. And then interestingly, they have a Rover GCS. I haven't tried that before, so that'll be interesting to see. I do want to point out one other thing about the fact that this is a standard Android tablet, and that is you have the Android Play Store on the controller. Now, I'm not connected to a Wi-Fi hotspot, but if I connect to a Wi-Fi hotspot, I'll be able to connect to Google Play and download other standard Android apps onto this controller, just like I can with any other Android tablet or phone, which is great. It's standards based, and it really works. It's very nice and gives you some extra capabilities. For example, I'll be installing Tailscale, the VPN that I often use for my IoT systems. So all in all, this feels like a really nice system, and the screen looks great, very comfortable and easy to use, very responsive and easy to read. The controls seem adequate. We'll have to see how they work when I connect up with an air unit. Maybe I'll do that on the bench just to see how it gets started. But looking forward to trying out the SkyDroid G30 RC control system. Tim the Plane Man, over and out.